schools.
100 private schools no
original way no mo nka ho.
And na mo so mo de obeka ho.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Private schools, their headmasters are crying. And why are they crying? Omusi, me do for daadaa mia. Kweku mahama daadaa yo. Mama ya kweku. Pato wa ya kweku wa video no pato pache mi wa. Na me kofi me timi ka say o ya kofi because ya ene kofi ya kofi no we don't lie. Ya ka say ya ka say B plus ya B plus. Enti obi bia o politics mu. Ya kofi bia no. Wa hwe say kofi na nado. Kofi baumia, kofi je gufo. Sankrofo no muka nokre nkwa no mukika. Eti kweku mahama wadada private schools headmasters. Mubeka ya in the run up to the election na AyEka say free senior high school when they say for bar on between they were going to cancel it. And we were so sure say they were going to cancel it. But NDC 40 years say AyEka say on cancel no. Now on say omu like convince Ghanaians say omu cancel. And I name say na ekoba ye na ye man penny a yeferu Kweku John Mahama His Excellency. And I could declare say, oh, free senior school don't buy the cancel. In fact, omu the private schools wa become. Sana omukayo. Aside the fact omuka say omema kolanu ice cream, ni ice cake, any one student, one sardine, and all those things there. They also said say they were going to bring private schools inside and that they were going to utilize all their boarding facilities and all. After they were going to abandon John Mahama His Excellency and say Kweku Mahama. Kweku, the assembly. Kweku Kinko.
Adie ba ko NDC for aye. Me de bia me ka say de bisuro ne say ebedu baabi no. Ya ye friend politicians obi agiye ni. Ensem mo kan ye wo opposition nyinara no. Omo bedu aban mu no. Oma magana fo nyina ati ase say omo daadaa ye. Senior, big banana be here we interview down the Deputy Minister Defense here. What say anamuka reset? It is a idea na wo ho no Muslim Baba reset no. Mo kwa mba mo here the West. And it is true. Mo the family and friends here campaign. Mo buy in the West. Family and friends buy in the West. They be make no me answer me example. No me try to. Mo buy here enquire.
For example, no to so we say me bisa dey.
Na say dey be bisa na higher no mama. Until we dey twem ko obi an nine. Say enje family and friends and abai na ewo mi they toss me no wo ba ye mo say e ka say free SHS mo dey private schools e be ka ho and then mo say mo ma private schools 700 o mo kwa dey eso time mo ye campaign man ka say dey o mo so mo dey o be ka ho and then by force and kwala actual BEC e was so mo choose some schools na mo choose day schools ka ho adentia mo ye man kwala ni nyina mo pure mo today because musro say mo ko boarding ya mo boboka
but also 100 private schools
100 private schools no day
original way no mo nka ho
and mo say mo de mo be ka ho mo ye campaign man ka say mo de 100 mo ye campaign man ka say mo be mo day status
okay say nye
man ka say day status mo say mo de private schools e be ka e ka dey saying free senior high school and the man limit is 100 and I'm saying day
what's a starting point.
There are some of the private schools are on boarding capacities no aircraft will say if I say abide there and so they are determined say and Colorado do no enko day and the president say was sanctioned PTA ya sanction with various schools so they dey ko jijiska and so ya pen so ya wa ban no
officially yen can say sika abandon kasi sika no mo de kwa usually no one say PTA no wo mo ba any more practices are ekoso ne you know any among nsem ekoso we school no we school ni na omo buru we no mo ne fiefo ntokwa na wo twese kan school ni no okobo teacher ni aso
it's a PTA ya say
no as a parent
it's a PTA I am telling you abai pekweti kwa bi no wafam and then mo say nka mo de skabema headmasters no mo didwa e dia ko schools ahodo ene afi mo se mo afa ne say constituency chairman na owo ska omo nko toto enema emfama schools no ense mo kan ya mo de ye campaign na Ghana fo hu ye say ye ya bonsamfo no ena mo ba ye no madane ma no na mo ye west you levy of course I'm telling you and no na ye nkofo dodo na nkwankoto aba
okay
and no ye nkofo
e dey before ye na se me nya so mfa so ade ti na de obi be kan na say ewura maso ma me ka se me nkwoto aba
there be say wo say wo chichire oman a edu ba bi a ho chire wo ho it is a wo chire mche wo manfo na wo nya obi obegina ntokura na chi no ka so oboa omu yesei ni ade a omanfo bete wase ehunu say oh oman ne ye chichire mfa nkoye nim but the omu ye no ene ye ka se de hweso di levy dum so levy aba anadu o ma nya consultation wo ba bia and that nurse for a call strike wouldn't say strike om kan ya parliamentary group health committee yet na se ene om kasa ya obu prince wo no aban nko trouble krata 8% bi obu di shame nurse for di shame
sanyo nkwa heden kweku kiko Kweku Mahama, the assemble. So Kweku Mahama is excellency. No? He say, see private schools. No? Almost selecting 100 private schools. 100 private schools are mass selected. No, so no. Almost see private schools are almost boarding house. And I may say, oh, private schools are money boarding house. I say because. And then there's a free senior high school. They say majority do na boarding schools. And just the private schools why are you exempting the private schools that have boarding facilities? Are you not going to use their facilities? Now the 100 schools that have been selected to be day schools, what is happening now is that they are forcing the students to choose day schools. And Akufo-Addo say 5 schools are select here. You had the free will to select all 5 schools to be boarding schools. Say, John Mahama administration ways, as you know, you are forced to select day schools as part of it. And it say, wow, Tina Kentampo, 1 year lucky, now for far Kwabenya day school. Any boarding facility, 1 share year. In the senior high school, you will have to come to Kwabenya and come and rent to go to senior high school. Now, majority of the private schools have boarding facilities. Majority of them. So the headmasters right now don't know. Because what John Mahama told them was that omuye posting now of students now straight posting with schools. Now they say wow we NDC affiliated private school and as a day school there, forget about it. You see, when we tell you that when you vote or elections have implication, so I said, but last time I tried some mechanic, and Koyi, they say about to own so about to own she's on my language, but I'm sure that's how they say it. About to own susu. Eti abato no ehun susu anso no na ba say there mo a ye na G2 mo say ye fa 8% ni adwuma ai no nti nurses ne ka say omo nko strike no aban yi sa 8% defim and nurses ne omo sa ke come ho bio na fe Ghana for ba be ka say nurses for no duabo ye parliamentary health committee ye ni o ma kwakotena say ye de ye credibility ato online and then aban wo chiro ya ne ya agree no wakoyi 8% defim Obama nurses for no akikom hu bio abanya wo ka di no akwaye ni bi and then teachers training institutions and then say bemo wiade 1 a day 1 per ejiade a ye be teacher for omo tetibia anke be hwe omo ne ama wiade adiedu and then say dako pe preko pe ne bemo wiade wo school aban ni boy ba ye buso mi nsia mo pa nie enyema mo ye nyina no ekodachi obuchi omaina konachi enti amaye hunu se Ghana for afi MPP Ghana for so hwe MPP o se ye mpa acho abira ye hunu sikasemu a na enkoye ene se da ne ye chiri mache Ghana for finance minister apacho president Dankasa Esre se enye ye boapayo ene
Russia ni Ukraine ye ka ho asem ye kra de covid ye se fa de nyina ye affect ye be ka ho no mo se ye twatoro and Iran any Israel knockout kitu bi omoto ye no na mo ho bupui na kire se de na ye ka no na wo se magana fo tie ye ni na ka bom ni ye de chichi no ban no enso mo ka gu omo so a enne amagana fo afi ye Ghana fo edi da ye so se ye mra ni magi Ghana fo iti awose keka ye ho eti die hia eni die ye rakufo kan ye se eye se ye be wa ban mu na be ye messenger dan se ubewo opposition na ube fa post kesi ato ho so eno na nkwa na wudi post na so ye ba ban mu e de som Ghana fo ena Ghana fo edi da so we ye so ntino eno ampani no kwhia ye no ya tie ase ye se ye ba ye police station in December eye police station no nyame adom bra Yewra Michael Kwe, Reverend Michael Kwe, etrasiye hwehwemu no eho ensam no we kruche ye no we ma some special committee bi committee no aye hwehwemu ehunu say reforms aye hia we party no ye de be ye adwuma reforms ni bi ene say delegate system no ye reform ene abase ye de nipa tu bi e ba beka ye police station for no ho eno no enye nipa hunu bi keke wo ye say ye de nipa tu ba ko ba be communication na ba ko aye for electoral affairs sa nipa mienu e ba be ka party no ho in every police station you will get somebody who will be communicating for the party and say you obi so obehwe ye electoral affairs so ni ade ena oba from police stations ye come no boa in electoral area no a ye fair bibi electoral area coordinators and also ye the bear 4 ba be count na my 5 and na fe nipa eto aba no ya je atum anasa ya proposal ye the ba be call first conference next month na ya je atum say all past MPs all past ministers nipa ekura dibre nipa atena party ni mu ekura party ni tumi efi 1992 ba ni adi nyina no e ba be nya kwan se conference ni tu ejitu mu a ombenya kwan no mato aba ni bi iti ebema nipa wo mo ebeyi yen candidate no emu adoso na no ebufu a na ebemu se memento ya mama nto aba ni bi iti bi kwa campaign mi nye biom ni ade no ni nyida no
ye de ye color TV akwa koto black and white TV is the work of do film dum so light me when tie so and so and to see you the next one. This has been the political right with me, the voice right here on Ghana SMTV. Cheers.